Conjugation of the verb to fry in 12 English tenses. 1. Simple present, I fry. 2. Simple past, I fried. 3. Simple future, I will fry. 4. Present continuous, I am frying. 5. Past continuous, I was frying. 6. Future continuous, I will be frying. 7. Present perfect, I have fried. 8. Past perfect, I had fried. 9. Future perfect, I will have fried. 10. Present perfect continuous, I have been frying. 11. Past perfect continuous, I had been frying. 12. Future perfect continuous, I will have been frying. Conjugation of the verb to fry. He, she, or it. 1. Simple present. He, she, or it fries. 2. Simple past. He, she, or it fried. 3. Simple future. He, she, or it will fry. 4. Present continuous. He, she, or it is frying. 5. Past continuous. He, she, or it was frying. 6. Future continuous. He, she, or it will be frying. 7. Present perfect. He, she, or it has fried. 8. Past perfect. He, she, or it had fried. 9. Future perfect. He, she, or it will have fried. 10. Present perfect continuous. He, she, or it has been frying. 11. Past perfect continuous. He, she, or it had been frying. 12. Future perfect continuous. He, she, or it will have been frying. Conjugation of the verb to fry. You, we, or they. 1. Simple present. You, we, or they fry. 2. Simple past. You, we, or they fried. 3. Simple future. You, we, or they will fry. 4. Present continuous. You, we, or they are frying. 5. Past continuous. You, we, or they were frying. 6. Future continuous. You, we, or they will be frying. 7. Present perfect. You, we, or they have fried. 8. Past perfect. You, we, or they had fried. 9. Future perfect. You, we, or they will have fried. 10. Present perfect continuous. You, we, or they have been frying. 11. Past perfect continuous. You, we, or they had been frying. 12. Future perfect continuous. You, we, or they will have been frying. Verb to fry forms. Present simple I, you. We, they fry. She, it fries. Past simple fried. Past participle fried. Ing form frying.